Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Calvin speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some foods.
Certainly, sir. Do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Gilbert and my room number is 303.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Mr. Gilbert of room 303. May I take your order?
I want American breakfast with scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Would you like a tapsilog or hot silog?
No,
Is there anything else that you would like to order?
that will be all. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Gilbert, may I repeat your order? You ordered for American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like to deliver it right away or at a specific time?
I would like to deliver it right away.
The total amount of your bill is 1,500 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Is there anything else that I can help you with?
None.
Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day. Excuse me, sir. I am Calvin, your room service attendant for today. Is the AC temperature just right?
Yes.
Would you like to adjust it to you, sir?
No, thank you.
Would you like me to turn on the TV, sir?
Thank you.
Alright. Allow me to present your foods to you. This is your steak, and this is your soup, and this is your tiramisu. Is there anything else that I can help you?
Yes, those are perfect. Thank you.
Before I leave, may I have your signature, please?
Yes.
I'll come back after 45 minutes to pick up your tray, or you may leave it outside the door. If you are done, thank you and have a great day, sir.